Alright, so here we are at Sundesk. This co-living in Taghazout, Morocco. And this is the main entrance. Here we can leave our shoes or sandals. There are some rooms on the base floor. And then, hello, we can go up. And there are also other rooms here. Here's one double room example with the bed, sofa, and some views. Here's a shared toilet, and let's keep going upstairs to the co-working place. Yeah, so this is the co-working area. Here are some lockers and more room and amazing views from the beach. And we have also here a toilet with a laundry machine in case we want to wash our clothes. And now we go upstairs. And here's the main terrace where people chill, work, and have lunch, dinner, etc. Here's the main kitchen. And here you have like a place for your stuff, and also in the fridge you also have a place to leave your stuff. And there's also filtered water there. And finally, well, before ending, we also have this Skype room to have some calls inside. I think there's nobody here now, so let's have a look. Yeah, here it is. And finally, there is this other terrace where people also chill, work, and normally have breakfast here all together. And these are the views from the terrace. Yep. And that will be all for Sundesk.